Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up and customize your HubSpot dashboards. To begin, open HubSpot and make sure you're on the home screen. This is your starting point, and from here you can access the reporting tools needed to build a dashboard. If your account opens somewhere else by default, simply navigate back to the main home area before continuing. Once you are on the home page, move your mouse to the bottom left navigation menu and hover over Reporting. You do not need to click right away. Hovering here will reveal the reporting-related options available to you. This section is where HubSpot groups together the tools used for tracking performance, analyzing data, and organizing the metrics that matter most to your team. When the menu appears, click Dashboards. This will take you to the dashboard area, where you can view existing dashboards or begin creating a new one. Dashboards are useful because they bring key reports together in one place, making it easier to monitor progress without opening multiple tools or pages. Next, select a sample template. Choosing a template is a great way to get started quickly, especially if you want a dashboard structure that already includes common layouts and reporting ideas. Templates can help save time and give you a useful foundation for customization later. As you review the available options, choose the one that best matches the kind of data you want to track. After selecting your sample template, follow the on-screen procedure to create the dashboard. HubSpot will guide you through the remaining setup process, which may include confirming your template choice, naming the dashboard, and reviewing the included reports before finalizing it. Take your time during this part so you can be sure the dashboard is aligned with your goals. As you complete the setup, pay attention to any customization options shown on screen. Even when starting from a sample template, you can usually shape the dashboard to better fit your workflow and reporting needs. It's a good idea to think about who will use the dashboard and what information should be most visible at a glance. Once everything is confirmed, your new dashboard will be created and ready to use. From there, you can continue refining it within HubSpot as needed. That's it. You've now gone through the process of accessing the dashboard area, selecting a sample template, and creating a dashboard in HubSpot.